Good morning, student. Today we will going to deal about classification, and in the classification we find that the classification is done accordance with the based on number of halogen atoms. The first classification is done on the based of halogen atom. In that case, we find three types of alkanes: monohaloalkanes, dihaloalkanes, and trihaloalkanes. In monohaloalkanes, the halogen one halogen group atom is attached to one carbon atom. In dihaloalkanes, two halogen group is attached to carbon atom. And trihaloalkanes, we find that three halogen atom is attached to the carbon group. This is the difference between monohaloalkanes, dihaloalkanes, and trihaloalkanes. This is accordance with the base of number of halogen atoms. The second classification is done according to the degree of carbon atom to which halogen is attached. Degree of carbon atom to which halogen is attached. And in this case, we find three types of degree: primary, secondary, and tertiary degree. Primary degree means 1 degree, and in 1 degree, one carbon is attached to one carbon atom. In secondary, one carbon is attached to two carbon atom. That is 2 degree, secondary degree. And in tertiary, one carbon atom is attached to three carbon atom. It is called 3 degree. And on the basis of hybridization now, here we miss it that one more which is not given in the book. It is quaternary, and one carbon atom is attached to four carbon atom, 4 degree. Now, third classification is on the basis of hybridization, and it is very important. This group is very important for 12th exam. According to this hybridization, we only find two types of hybridization very important. One is sp2 hybridization mixed with halogen, and sp3 hybridization mixed with halogen. There are two types of hybridization, which is the basic form, and it is attached to the carbon atom. And in this group we find that it is further classified as allylic, benzylic, vinylic, and arylic. Allylic and benzylic halides are the sp3 halogen atom group, and vinylic and arylic halides are the sp2 halogen group. Now, as we move forward, in the allylic halide, which is important here, it is also called allylic haloalkane. In this we find that the expression such that halogen atom is connected with two carbon atom with a double bond carbon atom. This form of halide is called allylic haloalkane or allylic halide. When two when two carbon and double bond carbon attached to this halogen atom, here only one carbon atom is there, so it is called 1 degree allylic halide. When this carbon atom is attached to two carbon atom, here one and here one, then it is called 2 degree allylic halide. And if it attached to three carbon atom, then it is called 3 degree allylic halide. Here we miss one topic, that in dihaloalkane, monohaloalkane and trihaloalkanes are not further classified, but in case of dihaloalkane, it is also classified in two groups. One is geminal dihalide, and another is vicinal dihalide. Geminal dihalide is also called gem dihalide or geminal dihaloalkane, and this formula is given by singly attached halogen group, doubly attached halogen chlorine, and here it is carbon group. And in weak dihalide or vicinal dihalide, we find that two other carbon atom is separated from each other, and the halogen are attached to singly separated by singly carbon atom. Both the carbon atoms have single bromine and bromine, that is halogen group, then it is called vicinal dihalide. And geminal dihalide, only one chlorine is attached to the single carbon atom. Thank you.